So why did you start doing this job?
It keeps me from getting hurt. See, I know all these men want from me is sex or to make them look good. They know all I care about is the money. We have an honest agreement. But the same mentality these men have when they hire me is the same one they have in marriage.
Okay, maybe you should report it to the police.
So what is it? What are we talking
The
about?
other day I was having lunch with this guy and I saw Steven.
Steven's my Steven? Why are you saying he's cheating on you? Or you saying he's not gonna
You know nothing about marriage, and that's the thing I don't understand, because you know nothing about marriage.
Okay, so you told me I don't know shit about marriage because I haven't had.
You saw him.
For some reason, you think I haven't had the opportunity. Come on.
In love with your husband?
What does that have to do with anything?
Are you in love with your husband?
What's wrong? What are you
Are
doing?
you in love with me?
What? What are you doing? What's wrong with you? We've been having fucking wine, and now it's like my husband is cheating on me, now am I in love with you? You know, I'm gonna go.
Listen, sex for me is the same as it is for you. It's a job.